Hello everyone, how are you doing? I am so excited. So today is a collaboration video. So I am collabing with SubBoxLover from here on YouTube. If you are unfamiliar with her channel, you definitely have to go check her out. She has a lot of unboxings just like me, so if you love my content, you will definitely love hers. So go check it out. So what we're doing today is we each sent each other a Valentine's Day mystery box. I don't know what she sent me. It's in this big box here. I'm really excited to see. But there weren't too many rules, just kind of like a Valentine's Day theme and then like a $40 to $50 price limit. So I will get unboxing here shortly. Just want to remind you, I do have my 2,000 subscriber giveaway going on. So if you have not yet entered that, please do so. The link is down below. I am so excited. So today's the 13th, which I think is like Valentine's Day, which is super exciting. I'm not like a big lovey-dovey like Valentine's Day person, but I always celebrated it with my friends and my family. Like in college, me and my roommates, we would always buy each other a gift every single Valentine's Day. So, you know, I think this is really fun. Did Valentine's Day start with Parks and Rec, or is that always a thing? I don't know. But anyway, so here is the box that Katrina sent me, and it says Degusta box on it, but it is not a Degusta box. And she packages so cutely. I feel bad. Mine was like in a smaller box, jam-packed with nice things. So that is what it looks like. Can't really see anything yet. Oh my god, the first thing I see is so cute. This is like so me, isn't it? This is like a cat print cloths, washcloths. This is so cute, and it's Valentine's Day thing. Oh my god, you are so cute. Thank you. Where did you find these? These are adorable. I love them. Seriously. Screams me. Oh, this is so cute. Yum. How cute is this? Confetti, cupcake, and frosting mix. It says it makes 12 frosted cupcakes, homemade, decadent, moist, and also delicious confetti cupcakes topped with creamy, dreamy buttercream frosting and festive sprinkles. Oh man, yum. You guys know I'm doing like the intermittent fasting. It's not 11 yet, so I haven't eaten, and now I just want to go straight away and bake cupcakes. This sounds so good. Awesome. What is this? Oh, cute. This is by Morgan & Grace's Scented Soap Petals. I've never used soap petals before, but I do love baths, so this is going to be super cute. Maybe I'll have like a romantic day by myself as a single lady tomorrow. You know, I don't even mind it. Like I'll use any excuse to like splurge on myself or something, so I'll probably do that. But now I have stuff to do that already. So it says you just simply sprinkle a handful of scented soap petals into a warm bath. The petals will foam and dissolve, creating a refreshing, fragrant, and indulgent bath. So cute. Thank you. Oh, and some cute Valentine's Day socks. Awesome. I actually like need some more ankle socks because now that I'm like, you know, trying to work out, even though I didn't today, don't tell anyone. I realized I don't have socks for my shoes, and these are so cute. Oh my god, look, there's one with a cat on it. Look at his like little heart glasses on. Can you see that? So cute. Oh my god, these are awesome. She did such a good job. I think there's something else in here. Oh, there's a couple more things. Wow, you really did so well. Oh my god. Oh, this looks awesome. Oh my god, this reminds me of like childhood. Sorry, this box like in the way. Bath and Body Works Plumeria 24-hour Ultra Sheen Body Cream. Like, I loved this scent when I was younger. They really updated their packaging. Here, I'm gonna put a little bit on. I love moisturizers, so this is awesome. Oh my god, it smells the same. This is awesome. Oh, cute. She did such a good job. This is like a little book that says K for kitty on it. So this is like a little notebook, super cute. Like right there you can write your name or whatever, and then that is super cute. Oh, this box is so adorable. And then by Luna and Norty. Isn't that a cute box? Oh my god, this is so cute. I feel like her box is so much better than mine. I hope she's enjoying it. This is a necklace set. It is 16 by 17 inch with 2-inch extender, 14 karat plated brass. And this is a rose quartz, and it is supposed to do love and healing. It says rose quartz is believed to be the stone of unconditional love. It is believed to encourage forgiveness and to help you let go of anger, resentment, and jealousy. Designed with love in California. This is so adorable. You see that? I love this. I really got into like gemstones a while ago, or just stones in general, and I want to get back into it. This is so cute. I can't wait to wear that. I should change my necklace. Right now I put on like the X and O one I got from Valentine handbags, because I was like, oh, that's fitting for Valentine's Day, right? This is so cute. And I think that is everything. Oh my god, Katrina, you did such a good job. Okay, so I'll show you guys all again, like, what, her box is so good. She found some like perfect things for me, like these cat kitchen towels. So adorable. And then there was the cupcake and frosting mix. This is super cute. And then we had the rose petal for baths. I can't wait to use that. Maybe I'll take a photo for Instagram. I have like a really nice bath here. I don't know if I shared it on my Snapchat, I think. And then these cute socks. My favorite probably have to be the one with the cat, of course. Like, I seriously have cat everything and can't get enough. The body cream, this smells really good. I love how coordinated everything is. I love Valentine's Day. I love pink and everything. It's like perfect. This is super cute. I can't wait to wear that. That is so nice. And then the K book, the little notebook. This is like pretty big too. There's a lot of pages in here. Awesome. This is so awesome. Thank you so much, Katrina. So yeah, if you haven't, go check out Katrina's YouTube channel, and you can see what I got her. I will leave her channel link down below as well as her video. So definitely check her out. Tell her I sent you. Say hi. Give her some love. She is awesome. Thank you so much, and thank you for this idea of collaborating. I had so much fun. This is like probably the best box ever. Like, you should make your own subscription box. Like, you should. This is good. But anyways, I hope you guys are all having a great day, and happy Valentine's Day. Bye.